Okay, so before we proceed further, what I want here is I want to set a prefix to all my endpoints. So I want to have a global prefix. Let's say you might have seen something like b1 slash API. So I want to have some prefix like that in my for whole application. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add one thing here in main.ts file. So this app instance, on this app instance we can have some middleware or something. So what I can configure here is set global prefix, and this what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use b1 slash API. Okay, so this way it will start with the b1 slash API and rest of the thing will be there. I don't know, like some people would be keeping it like API slash v1, so that is also valid. Let's say if I do it this way, v1, then that is also valid. So let's keep it this way only. And so let's say the API is of version 1, something in future comes up something else, then we can use other versions. Okay, and now since we have modified it, our endpoint will not work here. If you try to enter, it will say it is not able to find this. And so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna modify, I'm gonna edit it. Let me just do it quickly. API v1 slash, and if I try to enter API v1 users, and similarly I will name it as API v1 users. Now it should work. Now we are getting there. If I remove this, then it should work. Okay, fine.